This is my BMW 320 diesel. It's an E90 2009 model, and it's time for a light upgrade. So these are the incandescent orange looking bulbs. We're going to give it a LED upgrade. I've purchased these LED bulbs. You can see it's about 25 Rand for a pair, really inexpensive. So I'm going to show you how to disassemble this and we replace the LED. So with the prying tool, you need to just unclip it. This one was quite loose because I was prepping it. You can put your thumb in here and just pull those out. Here you can see the bulb. Just pull that out. Okay. These are a little bit more difficult to get out, but same principle, just a pull. I really battled to get this one out, and so I've got a little hack, just a piece of masking tape, which place around the globe. Try and get it around if you can, just so it's sticking. And then on the end of this masking tape, you just pull. So I'm just putting a loop . There comes the globe. I just couldn't get any purchase on it with my fingers. These are the replacement LED bulbs. I've gone for white, and these were really inexpensive, 25 Rand for a pair, 12 volt SMDs. With these old incandescents, I don't know if you can see that, but there's two pins. There's a pin on either side, but these older globes, it's 12 volt globe as well, but they're not polarity sensitive, whereas these new LED globes, replacement globes, you have your connectors, the pins on both sides, but these are polarity sensitive. So if you install it in your interior light and it doesn't work, you just need to pop it out and switch it around. So we're going to try that now. Okay, so that one's worked perfectly, on and off. I'm going to put it in at a 90-degree angle like that. Right, see it's flickering. It's not correct, so that's the incorrect polarity. So I've just pulled it out, turned it 180 degrees. Yeah, all working now. Now I just have to put it back together again. These just clip in that. Cover plate. Just needs a bit of a firm hand on it. Just going to use a prying tool. Okay, so there's the incandescent bulb. Just pull that one out. Got a LED one which you're going to put in. Okay, so LED is working.